Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Justine Rodney channel, your sanctuary for healing, inspiration, and renewal. Today, I want to speak about the power of silence. Have you ever noticed that the most powerful things in life often happen in silence? The sun rises without announcement. The moon lights the night without applause. Silence is often where life is doing its deepest work. Silence is sacred. It holds wisdom and restores the soul. Nature demonstrates sacred silence so eloquently. Yes, there are times when the winds howl. There are times when the storm rages. There are times when the rain beats heavily upon the earth. Yet, the trees do not panic. The flowers do not argue with the storm. The mountains do not explain themselves. The ocean is unmoved by the waves that are clashing on the surface. There is a quiet strength in nature, a silent resilience. The plants, the animals, the elements, they remain rooted in something deeper than the noise around them. And perhaps that's what silence comes to teach us, that we do not have to respond to every disturbance. We do not have to explain every season. We do not have to rush to fill the space with words. Sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is pause, to breathe, to listen, to return to ourselves. A place where we stop reacting and start discerning. We begin to hear what our soul has been trying to say. We begin to understand what needs our energy and what we simply need to release. So today, beautiful soul, I invite you to honor silence. Do not be afraid of the quiet. Do not rush away from stillness. Do not assume that because nothing is being said, nothing is being transformed. A seed grows in silence. A heart heals in silence. A soul remembers itself in silence. And just like nature, you too can remain steady, even when the winds howl, even when the storm rages, even when life feels loud. There is a place within you that the noise cannot touch. Return there. That is your sacred silence. That is your strength. That is your peace. If this message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your inner world become quiet enough to hear the wisdom of your soul.